Fam, what's going on with you? We out here right now in Coco. Alright, this your boy Dreddy, carpet cleaning training with Dreddy. Back again with you with another video. You see? Let's look at the scenery. Let me take you outside. We're next to some bamboos. You know, enjoying the day. But what we talking about? All right, right now we got to do some tile. You know, check this. It's a pretty nice, yard, man. Check it out. But yeah, we got to do some tile today. So I'm using this spray bottle, which is a pump up. It's really good, HDX. Sometimes using these a little bit way better than using the Hydroforce, just because you don't really want to spread too much chemicals. You just want it saturated in one specific area, you know what I mean? I love the bamboos too, man. Like wherever bamboos are, that's where the wind goes, man. Don't let nobody tell you nothing different. Boom. Bamboo. Call me Big Bamboo. But yeah, look it out. Check it out. Nice little house. And you always love a house with a tree in the back. You know? So yeah, we're about to tighten it up. Boom. So yeah, guys, how you guys' day going, man? Gas prices finally going down a little bit. Another thing I wanted to put y'all on too. Sometimes when we do dry events, and using the machine is very effective. You know, so this. Well, let's pump it up first. Let's pump it up. I did this already, so this one is already done. All right. I like how this spread even. Sometimes I like using these instead of the Hydroforce. But you know, your pump up sprayers, they got a life on them, man. Sometimes these things may only last like a month or whatever. Boom. Alright, we got that done. Everything else is just vinyl. I gotta do the tile as well, the carpet as well. Alright. So, yeah, spray in between there, spray there. I'm getting the whole of it, but it's just mainly, I wanna focus on the grout. You know what I mean? Yes, sir. So this is where we at. Boom. So there you have it.